Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create smoke mask video editing using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before we start the editing, I'm going to show you how the smoke mask looks like. Okay, and I'm going to create this kind of editing guys. Alright, I'm going to go back to the homepage. Okay, first of all, you can open up your InShot application and then you're going to upload the video that you want to edit. Okay, and for the video, I'm going to add the video from my download folder or download album, this one. Okay, and then wait, I'm going to remove the watermark. Then I'm going to add smoke overlay. We can go to the PIP and then I'm going to add this video and click on this icon to fit the screen like this, and then you can adjust it. And for this video guys, you can search on the internet. You can search with smoke overlay keyword. Okay, and I'm going to adjust it. And for the main video, you can also adjust it. You can zoom in or zoom out, it's up to you. And I'm going to blend the overlay with the main video. We can go to the blend option. Okay, select the overlaid video, the overlay, and then you're going to go to the blend menu and you're going to choose multiply. Okay, and you can set it to 100. Click on the check mark, and then I'm going to play it guys and see how it looks. Yeah, and it's so cool. Okay, and you can use it for your transition or your intro and your editing. And once you're done, you can export your video. Click on the export menu, and I recommend you to export it on the 4K quality. And then for the format, choose MP4, and then you just need to click on export, and then the video will be saved to your device. Okay, now the video is being exported. And okay guys, that's all the way to create mask smoke mask video editing using InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.